Okay, I received this Gro tumbler as a gift. It's 47.5 gallons. I'm going to see if it's easy to fix, and I'm going to give a review on it. But it was purchased from Menards. It says it's easy, it assembles in minutes. Let's see what's between the composter halves. Cut something off. My instruction hardware got wet, or the instruction manual. But let's take a peek and see how long it's going to take, and I'll show you the final results. Enjoy the video. I have to interrupt this video because I was missing this part right here for over a month. The part was not shipped with my composter. I was informed that a few other composters like this, these tumblers, did not receive this part either. It took over a month to get this part, but now I can finally complete the assignment. Another problem I ran into is this hole. It's too small, so we're gonna have to bore it. This one's perfect, and this one is not. So we gotta finagle it. I had to use this piece here to bore a hole in here to make this fit. So now let's get back to business. Alright, I finally got it put together. The part I was missing was this part right here, was the locking disc. So now that I have this locking disc, I am able to lock this tumbler into place. So that's good. Another thing that I did not like either was when you put the screws in, the nuts underneath are kind of hard to get your fingers in because there's not a lot of room to really work with. So if you have long fingers or fat fingers, it's kind of a booger, but I was able to do it. Like I said, I had to bore this hole, so I was able to make this rod fit. So the holes did not match up, which I don't understand. If they bored one side, how could they not have done it with the other side as well? But that's all right. We got her done. And also be careful when you install these. Just be careful because this is sharp underneath, so you could get cut. So just be careful on that note. So it looks like inside. And for this tumbler, you do not want to add worms or soldier flies because they will die, because they won't be able to escape, and this will get really hot. So the only thing you want to add to this is just paper, food scraps like vegetable scraps and things like that, and just keep in a little water for moisture to the consistency of a wrung out sponge. Put your lid back on. And start tumbling. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the box below. You guys have a great day. Bye.